welcome back to the Veganist Pro Show. Today we're going to make a beautiful summer salad. And it's called it's not called, it's a tofu, pear and beetroot salad. In the tofu I'm going to marinate in a little bit of cayenne and agave syrup, got it right that time, a little bit of lemon juice. So we'll do that first. 130 grams here. Of course, as always, all the information along with nutritional values are beneath. Okay, it's just 2 good pinches here. Sprinkle that over, sit up, and a little bit of lemon juice. This is already looking like a lovely salad. Alright, so this is just 1 pear, into quarters, peeled, cored. Don't want it too thin, want it to have some substance. Next, beetroot. Now I like to wear gloves. The rabbits or the fish? Okay. Right, next we're going to dice up a little bit of red onion. We only need about a third, but I'll use the rest for a stock. Which is a French cut. 2mm dice. It's not perfect, but it's more than good for a salad. Right, in with the tofu. And with the liquid beneath, lovely dressing. I like it when salads have their own dressings. Pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, so much protein in there. Really healthy protein. Monounsaturated fats. This is a mixture of rocket and lamb's lettuce. Or in French, it's called a mâché. And there we have beautiful summer salad. I'm just going to finish it with a little bit of lemon juice and olive oil. That's it, we need nothing more. Okay. Tiny bit of salt. That's it. Alright, let's plate that bad boy up. So this is some balsamic reduction that I made. Get a medium quality balsamic from somewhere reputable. And just reduce it down. You'll see it all bubbling up. Yeah, and then just keep it. It's great for finishing salads with. And it makes the salad go from looking like that. And voila. Smidge, just a smidge. Beautiful summer salad. If you have any questions or queries or suggestions, please just write in the comments below. Please subscribe to help me to help the animals, and we'll grow together and we'll speed up the movement which is already happening. Thank you, lovely. See you next time. Ciao.